Here it will show that your account has been credited with a 20% fee refund. Now choose to switch with the referral code ID6U3G like this. You've already received a trading fee refund. In this video, I will guide you on how to register a Binance account and get a 40% trading fee refund. I will also introduce you to a trading fee refund system for all current cryptocurrency exchanges, including Forest, Snet, XM, Pinks, BitGet, AOGUIN, MSC, Bybit, etc. The registration link for a Binance account to receive trading fee refunds and this system I will also put in the description below or comments of this video. Okay, I will click on this tutorial. Here's the tutorial. You can read the instructions, then I'll click on Get Cut B. The Binance registration link is in the description below. Enter your email or phone number and click Next. It will send a verification code to your email. Open the email and you will see a message from Binance. Copy the code, then simply click here, okay? Now enter this password. For example, I'll enter hello123. Okay, that's enough to meet all the requirements. Now click Next. Okay, it will now indicate that your account has been granted a 20% fee refund. Hey, this is a lifetime deal, folks. The referral ID is QSCXU3LG. See? You've now received a transaction fee refund. Next, click Continue. Now it's going to ask you to download the Binance app. Go ahead and download the application. Click on Download App here. It'll open like this. Click Download, then log in with the account you just created. After that, verify your account and set up account security, okay?